Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by composing or opening the draft in Gmail on the web. Select the link text using your mouse or keyboard selection. Click the Remove Link icon in the formatting toolbar to unlink the text. If you prefer keyboard tools, press Ctrl+K to open the link editor and remove the URL. To prevent auto-linking, use more options than plain text mode before typing links. You can also use the Remove Formatting option to strip links and other styles from selected text. Open the Gmail app and start composing or editing your message. Long press the link text to select it on your phone or tablet screen. Tap the three-dot menu above the keyboard and choose Edit Link, then Remove Link to unlink. To avoid auto-linking, choose plain text mode from the Compose menu before you type URLs. If the link appears in your Signature Open settings, then Signature to edit and remove the hyperlink manually. If a link appears in your Signature Open settings, and choose the Signature section. Select the link text inside the Signature editor and click Remove Link to delete the hyperlink. When pasting from other apps, use the Remove Formatting option to strip links and extra styles. Alternatively, paste into plain text mode to avoid creating new links automatically. After editing, always send a test message to yourself to confirm the link is removed and appears as plain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.